What's up, guys? ¿Cómo está mi gente? Glad to be back, guys. We are on the road headed to the great state of Pennsylvania. That's right, guys. We are on our way to the Sawmill Traditional Archery Rendezvous 2024. And guys, we are excited. Stick around. We'll show you guys a little bit of camp life and we'll bring you guys some 3D action. That's right, guys. Here only at Star do we get an opportunity to break out this Cowboy Walk, thanks to Naomi and Angel. So here we go, guys. We got some steak. We're getting ready, and then we're gonna make some steak tacos tonight for dinner. Think, Joe?
I'm a lot fatter than
Some tacos on the Cowboy Walk. AJ, you had a good nap? All right. All right. Guys, one of the things that I look forward to when I come over here to camp with the guys is knife sharpening. Jeremy is a master at this, so here we go. Jeremy's been helping us out here. I think he's on his 5th or 6th knife right now.
It's only been 10 minutes too.
It's only been 10 minutes, right?
I can feel the burr on the back, so
That's awesome. How long you been sharpening knives like that?
Since I was 4 years old, and I'm 34, so 30 years.
30 years sharpening, guys. And I tell the guys all the time, this is one of my biggest weak points. So for hunting, I always carry the outdoor edge because I'm lousy at sharpening knives. But it's nice to have friends like this. Jeffrey, what do you think of this rain?
It's not stop, man.
Oh, bro. We got our little fire going here for some ribs. I don't know, boys. All right, Jeremy, what are you doing here, brother?
Touched up knife.
All right.
See if there's any hope.
See if there's any hope. There's some hope there, bro. With you.
Use it as a little hammer.
And we got Archie. He's a good guy. Look at that, guys. Camp life at Star.
Danny?
Yes, sir. How was the trip down, brother?
It was good.
Good?
Well worth it.
Yeah. Shooting today's been a little difficult with all the rain, but it's been pretty good so far.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
hanging around, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll get out there soon. Hopefully we got a little bit of a break in the weather, but we also have some ribs going right here, courtesy of Dr. Death. And we got Jeremy over here sharpening a knife, so we're having a good time under the tent. And Mike, how you doing, bro?
I'm doing good, man.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's
Been
good.
fun, except for the rain.
Right, the rain.
Shot this morning, and we did pretty good.
Yeah, it was a good shoot, man. Hopefully we can keep going.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mike?
I think it's pretty sharp
Pretty sharp?
for a 10-year-old blade.
Not bad.
Sure.
Challenging Damien on the 26-yard deer out there. Great shot, Cody. Right in there. Pretty good. Come on, Mike. All right, Mike.
Need to look at it.
Looking pretty good. Nice. Yep. Come on, Mark, the only lefty of the group. There you go. It's on phone. Come on, Ronnie. Yeah. Mikey. Deadeye. Nice, brother. All right. Oh, the Canadian's up. Nice shot. Look at that. Canada's being represented by Jamie. Nice shot, Rachel. Very nice. Me gusta, me gusta. Get it, Jeffrey. Both of you guys are in the dirt. Uno más. Raquel is getting after it. Oh, say what?
Oh, right here.
Nice. Look at that. Jamie got the kill shot on the Yeti. All right, from now on, it's Canadians against Americans, okay? Roday's up. Oh, look at that dirty dude. Dirty. Damn, Canadians again. Can't get rid of these Canadians.
No,
Jeffrey got 5, right?
I got 5.
Your hole.
Yeah, there's one in the foam over there right now.
Jeffrey, what are you shooting?
This is a Black Widow PLX 62-inch.
She pretty, man.
Yeah, man.
She pretty.
Getting better with it. It's taking a minute.
Work in progress.
Yep.
All right. Ooh, I'm high on the back again. Shooting a bit high today.
Not crushed.
Still almost.
Oh, wait a minute. You broke the rules. You didn't hit the turkey.
Didn't hit the target. Is that the main rule?
That's it. No, you got to hit foam. That's a redo. Listen, you get a mulligan.
Don't worry, there's been a lot of rule breakers before you.
Go on, Mikey. Oh, Deadeye. Look at that. See, now that is why he's called Deadeye Mike. Ooh, right on the stake. Did you say steak? Where did you put that arrow?
Right in with that.
Really? Ah, okay. High back. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. One more. One more. One more. That's too funny.
That stuff, in large doses, isn't it poisonous?
So you've done pretty good, bro. You shagged up to this point.
I'm done. Shagged out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, even I find
Little bastard. He's upside down. Jeremy, kill that little guy.
Yeah.
All right, there he goes. Is it a honey badger?
It's an upside down skunk. All right,
All right, Terry.
Nice.
Nice, Mark. Lefty is in the house. All right, Jeffrey. Come on, Ronnie. All right, buddy. Come on, Joe. Beautiful, Joe.
It was spilling out, so they had to shorten it up.
It's an awesome looking target.
I was shooting low.
All right, Angel.
Awesome looking target.
Come on, Jeffrey. All right.
Low high.
Pull the bow back. Don't shoot, okay? Yeah. All right.
Great form.
Wait a minute. That's not your arrow.
It's not, bro. This is a sacrifice.
Come on, bro. You always sacrificing arrows. Go ahead, bro. No. It's not even your arrow, bro.
Was it just like an absolute, like,
Dude, it's a compound arrow he just shot.
it was like perfect?
Here is pepper. It's a pronghorn? Okay. All right. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Of course, it took the Canadian to clear that up. All right, bro. All right. You're in the phone. In the phone. Me gusta. Silence. And the crowd goes wild. It is slick.
I think it's the best around.
But I think we've already shot 20, at least 20 to 25 targets.
I wasn't counting.
Yeah. But we got some ribs on the grill back at the
I
camp.
know, Jeffrey, those are looking delicious, bro.
Angel, of course, is getting a little hungry.
That boy's always hungry.
Of course, if Angel's hungry, it's not a good situation. So we gotta get back to camp.
Yeah.
How was the shooting, guys?
Outstanding.
Yeah, that was fun. That's a really cool course.
Outstanding.
We got Joe taking up the rear. Joe, how you doing back there, buddy? How you doing back there, Joe? All right, man.
Hanging in there.
That's good, brother. Well, guys, this wraps up Start 2024. It was fun. We had a nice time. We'll see you guys on the next one. This is Danny signing out.